1.
Ensemble the activation device.
Vitrification is considered complete when maximum density, or zero porosity, are achieved without deformation.
Garzon et al. 2022, 15889.
Based on Contarts's definition of vitrification, three phenomena occur when a ceramic body is overfired: deformation, excessive vitrification, and expansion by bloating. The maximum densification temperature (TD) indicates the temperature at which the density of the body reaches its highest value and the pore volume reaches its lowest value. Above this temperature, overfiring occurs. The vitrification temperature, Tv, indicates the temperature at which the water absorption reaches the required values.
Contartesi, Melchiades, and Boschi 2019-17.
Vitrification. Regarding bloating, according to Mohammed, from 900 degrees C and below 1,300 degrees C, the reduction of hematite leads to the formation of black magnetite spinel minerals, phase 0.F2O3, and the evolution of oxygen gas, O2. This simultaneously occurred with the formation of a silicate liquid phase, viscous enough to entrap the evolved oxygen gas.
Mohammed 2013, 35.
Activate sample number 5.
These phenomena mentioned above may alter the mechanical properties of ceramic bodies and, therefore, the mechanical waves that these materials can produce when activated. When analyzing these behaviors without the help of acoustically isolated spaces or special tools, and when studying relatively unknown elements, the scope has to be strongly narrowed, thus setting a minimum control of parameters and sound signal. Registered as best as possible is the source to study.
Do not move. Breath calmly.
2.
CSS crystalline sound system, sounds in between glass and ceramics. The core of this activity has two categories. The first is related to the output samples and data obtained from the research, while the second is based mainly on the associations between materials. Glass, ceramics, of ceramics, other, whether evident or metaphorically inspiration-related issues. The body of this work consists of applications of the techniques experienced during the research. Process to make sound sculptures, slumping, fusing, casting in glass and ceramics. Different activation mechanisms will be used to play the objects figures 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, and 65. Some pieces will work alive while others in deferred time. The aim is to set a common place based on sound research between glass and ceramic practices. In other words, glass and its practices can influence the ceramic field. Concerning sound works, micro-instances and sound collages made with pure data and based on additive synthesis and other techniques will be made in order to observe the samples by construction and deconstruction through digital tools. Another application will be a brief piece based on the research outputs, specially written and ideally performed as part of the exhibition, whether alive or deferred time figures 67 and 60. Deferred time figures 67 and 60. Deferred time figures 67 and 60. Deferred time figures 67
and do not activate. Bow activation.